Tired of seeing the VAC was unable to verify your game session error pop up every time you try to play CS2 on your PC? No worries, I've got your back. In this video, I'll walk you through some simple solutions to fix the annoying issue. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Delete all the launch options. Open up Steam and head to your library. Then right-click on Counter-Strike 2 in your game list and select Properties, and delete everything in the launch options field. Then close the tab and check if that fixed the problem for you. Solution 2. End Steam's process. So, right-click on your taskbar and choose Task Manager. Now type Steam on into the search bar. Then right-click on Steam 32-bit and select End Task. After that, close the Task Manager and see if that fixed the issue. Solution 3. Clean up temp files. To do this, click on the search icon and type in Run. Then select Run from the search results. Next, type %temp% into the Run window and hit Enter. The File Explorer should open up. After that, select everything in the folder and delete them. If you get any warnings about files in use, just skip them. Now, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 4. Verify and repair CS2. First, click on the system tray icon. Then right-click on Steam and choose Exit Steam. After that, open up the File Explorer and navigate to your C drive. Now go to the Program Files x86 folder. Then the Steam folder. Now open the User Data folder and then the folder with the numbers. From here, delete the 730 folder and close the window. Then open Steam again and head to your library. Next, right-click on Counter-Strike 2 and select Properties. Click on Install Files and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will start verifying and repairing the game. After that, the issue should be resolved. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the VAC was unable to verify your game session error in CS2 on your computer. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.